Thane, the city of lakes and an apotheosis of natural scenery, is one of the fastest evolving residential and commercial haven on the periphery of Mumbai. For more than 18 centuries, Thane has been an eminent part of history. It has a flamboyant present and a very propitious future. Contiguous to the financial hub Mumbai, Thane has a multicultural populace with resplendent social and physical infrastructure. Thane's impeccable connectivity to Central, Western and Navi Mumbai has evolved it into a kernel for future development. The proposed metro rail and elevated freeway on the hilly section of Ghodbunder Road manifests the potential of phenomenal future growth that this magical city enamors. Playing a paramount role in the augmentation of this colossal city for the last 4 decades is the humble pride of Larkins and Siddhi Group. Just as the heart pulses and breathes life into a being, Larkins Group works to be the heart of something bigger, a Thane par excellence. Amalgamating with Siddhi Group, our august partner, we have helped cement major brands. Redefining our benchmark every single time has been a byproduct of the ethos set in concrete by our patrician founders. We stand proud of the benchmarks we have set in the real estate vicinity of Thane. Landmark Complex and Pride Presidency Luxuria were carved to perfection with our top-class infrastructure. In alliance with Siddhi Group, we built Highland Gardens and Highland Park, which exudes uniqueness and pristine quality. Amid serene aura and majestic charm is this palatial expanse of space. With Lake City Centre and High Street Mall, we provided a major boost to local economy through the means of social infrastructure, employment and entertainment. We host an array of prominent brands like CP Goenka International School with international education standards, Cure Hospital that offers state-of-the-art healthcare, Thane's only Big Bazaar and Cinema Star, which is known for its expansive premises. We forge ahead, adding charisma to the cityscape. With over 2 million square feet of ongoing projects like La More, Highland Haven, Highland Park, Highland Spring, Pride Palms, and many such ambitious projects in the pipeline. In our pursuit of excellence, we have not overlooked our duties towards the society. Larkins and Siddhi Group has been instrumental in Thane's victorious journey and always will, with pride yet humility. We will leave no stone unturned in providing the finest living to our prestigious customers. We stand resilient by our oath to work in symbiosis with Thane's growth and relentlessly contribute to the rich architectural heritage of this prodigious city.